Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best ECN brokers that provide MetaTrader 4. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. ECN, or Electronic Communication Network Forex brokers that provide direct access to the interbank market, allow traders to execute orders with minimal interference and tight spreads. These brokers offer a transparent trading environment with no dealing desk, ensuring fast execution and reduced slippage. Many ECN brokers support MetaTrader 4, a widely used platform known for its user-friendly interface, advanced charting tools, automated trading via expert advisors, and a vast range of technical indicators. Traders using MetaTrader 4 with an electronic communication network broker benefit from deep liquidity, competitive pricing, and a more efficient trading experience. Traders who are searching for some of the best ECN brokers that provide MetaTrader 4 can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So in this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best ECN brokers that provide MetaTrader 4. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have IG. IG is a leading online trading and investment platform providing a comprehensive suite of financial products and services to traders and investors. IG empowers users to engage in a diverse range of financial markets, and as a leading player in the financial industry, their platform offers a user-friendly interface coupled with advanced trading features to facilitate seamless and informed decision-making. IG has positioned itself as a trusted partner for those seeking to navigate the complexities of the global financial markets. The broker offers a diverse array of trading instruments on its platform, offering a variety of options for individuals and institutions. And these instruments include Forex currency pairs, indices, shares, commodities, cryptocurrencies, futures, and options. This extensive range allows users to tailor their portfolios to their specific investment goals and risk preferences. With competitive spreads and leverage options, IG provides a versatile and dynamic trading environment for both seasoned investors and newcomers alike. IG offers a diverse range of cutting-edge trading platforms, tailored to cater to the varied needs of traders. These platforms are designed to provide seamless and intuitive experiences, empowering traders with advanced tools and features, and includes the IG proprietary trading application, MetaTrader 4, auto trading through Pro Real-Time, and more. Whether traders are beginners or seasoned professionals, IG's trading platforms aim to deliver a seamless and efficient trading experience, ensuring accessibility and functionality for all. They also provide a range of trading account types designed to meet the diverse needs of traders on their platform. Their accounts include spread betting and CFD leveraged accounts, share dealing accounts, stock accounts, the IG Smart Portfolio account, and the Smart Portfolio ISA account, with demo and Islamic account options. Each account type comes with unique features and advantages, allowing traders to align their choice with their specific trading objectives and preferences. They also provide a wealth of educational material aimed to enhancing market knowledge and refining trading skills. The educational resources cover a wide spectrum of topics, including foundational concepts, advanced strategies, risk management, technical analysis, and more. Through a variety of engaging formats such as video tutorials, webinars, and interactive courses, IG ensures that traders of all levels can access valuable insights and knowledge to make informed decisions in the financial markets. Whether for beginners or experienced traders, IG's dedication to education makes it a valuable destination for those looking to continually develop their trading expertise. Overall, IG stands as a prominent and trusted online trading platform dedicated to meeting the diverse needs of traders of all skill levels. With a user-friendly interface, a comprehensive array of trading instruments, advanced platforms, and a commitment to trader education through their academy, the platform provides a holistic and empowering experience for individuals navigating the financial markets. Whether one is a novice or an experienced trader, IG's commitment to transparency, innovation, and education positions it as a reliable partner for those seeking success in the dynamic world of online trading. At number 4 on our list is FP Markets. FP Markets is a leading online trading provider offering access to a wide range of financial instruments, including Forex, CFDs, and commodities. With a commitment to transparency, innovation, and client satisfaction, FP Markets provides traders with cutting-edge technology, competitive pricing, and superior execution. Established in 2005, FP Markets has grown into a globally recognized brand, serving clients in over 150 countries. Through its user-friendly platforms and comprehensive educational resources, FP Markets empowers traders of all levels to navigate the financial markets with confidence. FP Markets offers a range of advanced trading platforms designed to cater to the diverse needs of traders. These platforms include the MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, WebTrader, CTrader, TradingView, and the FP Markets mobile trading application, with advanced trading tools and copy trading functionality. FP Markets offers a range of account types tailored to meet the diverse needs of traders. These accounts include the standard and raw trading account types, with demo and Islamic account options. Regardless of the account type chosen, FP Markets is committed to providing traders with superior execution, transparent pricing, and exceptional customer service. The broker also offers a robust suite of educational resources tailored to empower traders of all levels to navigate the financial markets confidently. Their educational hub, accessible through their website, features a diverse range of material, including articles, tutorials, videos, and webinars covering various topics such as strategies, technical analysis, risk management, and market insights. Whether traders are novices seeking foundational knowledge or seasoned professionals looking to refine their strategies, their educational resources are designed to support continuous learning and growth in the trading journey. Overall, FP Markets stands as a trusted and innovative online trading provider, offering a comprehensive suite of services and resources to empower traders worldwide. With a commitment to transparency, excellence, and client satisfaction, FP Markets provides access to cutting-edge technology, competitive pricing, and superior execution. Whether you are new to the world of online trading or a seasoned professional, the broker's user-friendly platforms, extensive product range, and educational resources ensures that traders have the tools and support needed to succeed in the dynamic world of financial markets. Coming in at number 3, we have FXTM. FXTM is a CYSEC and FCA regulated Forex broker that was founded in 2011. They have more than 2 million clients worldwide, and you can open a trading account with them by depositing as little as $10 US. As an FXTM client, you will be able to learn, trade, and invest in a low-risk environment with tight spreads, premium quality resources, and personalized investment options. With FXTM, you can trade a variety of metals, stocks, CFDs, indices, Forex pairs, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. This broker is an excellent option if you are interested in copy trading, with 3 flexible accounts to choose from: and we recommend FXTM for any type of trader. FXTM offers 3 types of trading accounts, which are featured on Micro, the Advantage account, and the Advantage Plus account, with low minimum deposits, a variety of tradable instruments, no commission fees on the Micro and Advantage Plus accounts, and tight spreads. All 3 account types can be used as demo versions for you to test out tools and features, with no risks attached. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and FXTM's proprietary award-winning mobile trading application. Their platforms are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FXTM provides a variety of beginner's guides and trading tutorials. You can use their Learning Center to learn more about trading, how to trade CFDs, how to trade in volatile markets, how to use trading strategies, and so much more. You can also watch webinars and videos conducted by expert traders for more insight into the markets. And you can download their trading ebooks to use as a reference when trading with your FXTM demo accounts, which can be a great educational advantage if you are searching for any additional educational material with FXTM. At number 2 on our list is XM. XM is a beginner-friendly forex broker that was founded in 2009 and is based in the United Kingdom. They are regulated by 6 top-tier agencies, including the CYSEC, the ASIC, and FCA, and currently have over 5 million clients worldwide. To start trading on the XM account, a minimum deposit of only $5 is required, and you can fund your account using one of 9 base currencies. XM gives you the opportunity to diversify your investment portfolio with a variety of commodities, forex pairs, stocks, cryptocurrencies, metals, shares, and energies. We recommend XM for all types of traders, whether you're a professional or only just beginning your trading career. XM offers a total of 4 trading account types, and all accounts except for the shares account have a minimum deposit requirement of $5 with no commission fees. All accounts also have negative balance protection and can be converted to swap-free accounts. In addition to these 4 trading accounts, XM also offers a demo account with a virtual balance of $100,000, and you can choose a platform type, a base currency for your demo account, an account type, the leverage you would like, and the amount you want to invest. For clients of the Muslim faith, XM also allows all accounts to be converted to swap-free accounts. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. The XM Learning Center provides live education and plenty of educational videos, as well as Forex webinars and platform tutorials. You can also use XM for in-depth market overviews and market news, a variety of trading ideas, technical summaries, podcasts, and more. More experienced traders can use advanced trading tools such as MT4 and Forex calculators if you are searching for any additional resources with XM. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best ECN brokers that provide MetaTrader 4, we have Avatrade. Avatrade, a leading online trading platform, provides individuals and institutions with access to a diverse range of financial markets. The broker offers a user-friendly interface and cutting-edge trading tools to empower traders of all levels. Whether you are interested in Forex, commodities, stocks, or cryptocurrencies, their platform is designed to meet the diverse needs of the modern investor. With a reputation for reliability and transparency, Avatrade strives to deliver a seamless trading experience, supported by educational resources and responsive customer service. Avatrade offers a variety of market instruments to trade, catering to the various needs of its clients. These include Forex currency pairs, commodities, Forex options, crypto CFDs, indices, ETFs, and bonds. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Avatrade Options, Avatrade's Web Trader, as well as automated trading through DupliTrade and ZuluTrade. With a selection of versatile and robust trading platforms, Avatrade empowers its users to trade with confidence. Accounts are available on retail, multi-account manager, and professional accounts, with demo and Islamic account options. Avatrade's account types are structured to provide flexibility and customization, ensuring that traders of varying levels of expertise can find an account that aligns with their trading goals. The broker is dedicated to empowering traders with a wealth of educational resources as well, recognizing the importance of knowledge in successful trading. Avatrade provides a comprehensive range of educational materials suitable for traders of all levels. The platform offers informative articles, video tutorials, and webinars covering various aspects of trading, from fundamental concepts to advanced strategies. These resources are designed to enhance traders' understanding of the financial markets. Overall, Avatrade stands as a premier online trading platform, committed to providing a holistic and empowering experience for traders around the world. With a diverse range of trading instruments, user-friendly platforms, and flexible account options, Avatrade caters to the needs of both novice and experienced traders. Backed by transparency, reliability, and innovation, Avatrade invites users to explore the world of online trading with confidence. Whether you are looking to diversify your portfolio, engage in Forex trading, or delve into the exciting realm of cryptocurrencies, Avatrade offers a robust platform for traders to navigate and capitalize on global market opportunities. And those are some of the top 5 best ECN brokers that provide MetaTrader 4 on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.